evil lurks in the hearts of men.
I know what a lot of evil lurks in the hearts of men, and that's why I'm here to help you out here. Hey, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Announcing our 1,000 subscriber giveaway contest. All right, so there's a bunch of rules for this. Great prizes. I did this over on my other channel, Camp Pet and Family Compound, when we got the 1,000 subscriber giveaway over there. So let's go into this here, and I'm going to show you what the rules are, so you can win some great prizes here. All right, so let's switch this up over here to get the slideshow up here and bring it up here. And of course, it's the Gray Man. And there we go. Yes. Yes, that's our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And so here are the rules. To qualify for the giveaway, you need to do the following. You need to get someone else to do this stuff. In other words, you get somebody to subscribe and ring the bell. Basically, they're becoming a subscriber. Watch 3 videos and comment on them. They can be any videos, but it makes it easier if you can get them to watch these 3 videos here, because that way, these are very informative videos, and it's easier for me to track to make sure that they have watched 3 videos and commented. You know, the little bit about Gray Man Prepping is on the front page of the of my channel. Prepping in Private is one of my more popular ones, and as is the video number 88, the second April Prepper Pantry Haul. Now, when they comment on these, they got to do something specific. They got to say your channel name, whether it's Wide Family Farm, Hedgehog Homestead, Bob 942, whatever your channel name is, they need to say your channel name sent me over. And then they can make any other type of comment they wish to make, if they even want to make another comment. But they need to at least say, hey, you know, Courtney at Wide Family Farm sent me over, or Bruce at Backwood Law sent me over, or Jeremy at Tennessee Tactical One sent me over. They need to say your channel name. All right, so that's the first part. The next part here. So each subscriber completing the above counts as 1 point for you. So now the thing is, so some people had questions on the last one. So this is what we did on the last one. It worked out great. If one of your new subscribers gets other subscribers to join as well, he gets 1 point, but you get a half point. So say you get 5 subscribers to join, and 2 of them get 4 other subscribers to join each. So you get 5 points for the 5 that joined, and then you get 2 points off of each of the 2 that got 4 others to join, because 4 times a half is 2. So basically you would get 9 points. All right. Now the channel with the highest number of points of, basic points for new subscribers that watched 3 videos and commented on them wins the first place prize. We'll get to what that is in just a second. The second channel gets the second prize, place prize, and so on for the 3rd through 6th highest, ones doing it. Now, the giveaway contest ends 2 weeks after the channel becomes monetized, which means 2 weeks after we have 1,000 subscribers verified by YouTube, and they approve monetization. So, what are the prizes? Okay, first place prize is the color edition of Doc Bones and Nurse Amy's 4th edition of the Book Excellence Award-winning 4th edition of the Survival Medicine Handbook, the essential guide for when help is not on the way. Now, this book it lists for $79.99. And hang on a second. I got a copy right here. And I'm going to make myself big so I can show it to you. So this is the book. It's the color version, not the black and white. The 4th edition is 30% bigger than the 3rd edition. All right. And it's got a lot of good information in it. Now, for those of you who know my background, I used to work for the Department of Homeland Security as the Emergency Management Coordinator. And in my professional opinion, every family needs to have that book, especially if you're on a homestead and if you're part of a preparedness group. You need at least one person in that group to have that, if not more. All right, so let's get back to the prizes here. All right, so the second place prize is going to be a $75 Amazon gift card. Third place is a $50 gift card. Fourth is a $20. Fifth is a $10 gift card, and sixth place is a $5 Amazon gift card. All right, and let's see any. Okay, so that is the list of the rules. If there's any questions on the rules, ask them in the comment section down below, and I'll get back to you. And no, it's not a pyramid scheme because you only get bonus points for the one of the immediate people that you had subscribed. Therefore, all right, so I think I laid it out pretty easy. You get people to join, you get them to watch 3 videos and comment on those videos. That way YouTube doesn't kick them off. And if they get people to join as well, you get a half bonus point for every person they get to join as well. All righty. And this is not set in stone yet, depending on how things go once the channel gets monetized and we get the drawing going. If I pick up channel members before then, I'll have a giveaway for the channel members as well. But that's only if everything works out right. But right now we got the giveaway with the book and all the gift cards coming up. All righty. So happy viewing and good luck on helping me make it to 1,000. And once we get there, everybody shares. All right. Because one of the things I want to do is once I get this channel monetized, I want to do more giveaways. So basically all the quote big bucks I'll make from YouTube off it goes back to you, the viewers, in giveaways. All righty. So good luck, and I'll see you around.